Welcome to our tutorial about the explode command. Let's start by creating some geometry. I'm going to activate the rectangle command. Now let's right-click and scroll to Dimensions. Enter 22, Enter, by 14, Enter. And lastly, let's left-click to place the rectangle. Let's use the Offset command now. Enter a distance of 2 units for the offset, Enter. Let's select our rectangle and left-click in the direction to offset. Right-click and Enter to close the tool. I want to create 4 rectangles. In order to do so, I need to offset each line individually, but currently our rectangle is one single object. To solve a problem like this, we can use the Explode command. The Explode command is located on the Modify panel. Left-click to activate the tool. Now select the object to which you want to apply the tool, our rectangle. Right-click to exit the tool. It doesn't look like much has happened, but now I have the option of selecting the lines of the rectangle one at a time, for they are now unique objects. Let's press Escape to deselect everything. And let's activate the Offset tool again. Distance for the offset, 4 units. Press Enter. And let's select this line. The direction to offset, this line, and the direction to offset. Right-click and Enter to close the tool. Activate the Offset tool again. Offset distance, 8 units. Press Enter. Select the object to offset, and then click again in the direction to offset, the line to offset, and the direction of the offset. Right-click and Enter to close the tool. Lastly, I need to trim these lines. Activate the Trim command. I'm going to use the Select All option by pressing Enter. Now I'll right-click and select Fence. And I'll just take a moment to create a few fence lines here. Right-click and Enter to conclude the fence. And the objects are trimmed. Right-click and Enter to close the tool. This concludes our lesson about the Explode command.